Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a super convenient, surprisingly powerful e-bike, the VARUN Folding Electric Bike. Before we jump in, check the link below to see current deals. It's actually really well priced for what it offers. Alright, first impressions, this thing is slick. It's lightweight but feels solid, and the folding design makes it super easy to store or toss in the trunk. Great for city living or small spaces. Setup was quick. Out of the box, just attach a few parts and you're ready to roll. Now let's talk about performance. The 750 watts peak motor gives you plenty of boost for hills and quick takeoffs. It's not a speed demon like some 1000 watts plus e-bikes, but it'll comfortably hit 20 plus mph, which is perfect for daily use and still feels fast. You can switch between pedal assist and full throttle, and it has a 21-speed Shimano gear system, so you can still pedal manually when you want to conserve battery or get a little workout in. Speaking of battery, it comes with a 48 volts removable lithium battery that gives you up to 50 miles of range on a single charge, depending on how you ride. That's more than enough for commuting or weekend cruising, and being removable means it's easy to charge inside or at work. The ride quality? Surprisingly smooth. The front suspension fork soaks up small bumps and light off-road terrain nicely. I wouldn't go hardcore trail riding on it, but for paved roads, bike paths, and gravel, it handles like a champ. And the brakes are responsive and reliable, which is important on any electric ride. Couple quick pros and cons. Pros. White check mark emoji, folds up easily for storage and transport. White check mark emoji, 750 watts peak motor, solid power for everyday riding. White check mark emoji, removable 48 volts battery with good range. White check mark emoji, 21 speed gears give you real versatility. White check mark emoji, comfortable for commuting and light trails. Cons. Warning emoji, no rear suspension, so rougher trails can be bumpy. Warning emoji, not as fast or aggressive as dual motor bikes. Warning emoji, heavier than a non-electric folding bike, but that's expected. So final thoughts? The VARUN Folding Electric Bike is a super practical choice if you want portability, power, and range without going full motorcycle mode. It's great for students, commuters, casual riders, or anyone who needs an e-bike that can fold and go without sacrificing comfort or reliability. Check the link below if you want to grab one, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you enjoy electric ride reviews like this. Let me know in the comments, where would you ride this first? City streets, a bike trail, or a weekend camping trip? Catch you in the next one. Ride safe, high voltage sign emoji, bicycle emoji.